Hello, my name is Brandon. I work at Brantford Honda, and they've asked me to share a few reasons why I love my 2015 Honda Pilot. Well, for starters, let me tell you, I'm coming at you from my garage because we're in Canada and it's winter time, and with the sun beating down, it is still -15 plus a wind chill factor. So please bear with me. Couple reasons I love my Honda Pilot SE. SE meaning special edition. So they've taken an EX and added a rear entertainment system, which is fantastic because I have a 5-year-old. But the other reason I love the styling for starters. It's unapologetic. This is an SUV that looks like an SUV. Other cars in its segment have gone to that swoopy soft look. No, Honda has said, no, this is a big SUV. Take a look. It's unapologetic and it's genuine. But the real reason I love this vehicle is, well, last night I drove 200 kilometers round trip in a snowstorm that dumped 27 centimeters of snow. I drove with confidence. I didn't have a worry. I just drove responsibly. I trusted in my Honda and in my variable torque management system. Nice set of snow tires. My son was in the back watching a Lego movie. My wife and I were up front, still able to carry on a conversation because even in the blowing snow, the cabin was still nice and quiet. My Honda Pilot, I keep my family safe in it. And that's why I really, really love this vehicle.